Another thing, though the police claim that he just volunteered his confessions freely without any enticement or any threat, immediately upon being transferred from the police station to the prison, he claimed that he had been beaten by the police. So the appellant alleges that the confession was untrue and not made voluntarily, but as a result of him being beaten and suffocated. And we'll talk some more about what he says later. Not only did he claim to have been beaten, when he was transferred from the police station to the prison, he was examined, looked at by a prison doctor, and the doctor noted a bunch of injuries. So it says here, when he was transferred to the prison on the 27th of July, 2010, the prison doctor recorded that he had a number of injuries in a temporal abrasion, multiple handcuff abrasions, a skin avulsion on his left wrist, bruising to the buttocks, and abrasion are also to his right buttocks. The doctor also records that the appellant told him that he had been beaten by the police on his arrest.